So this is my favorite music blog. It's called hillydilly.com, and it's mostly an indie music blog, but they do also feature some popular artists as well. I like this website because I like the general overall aesthetic of it. I like websites that are very simple and straightforward. I don't like websites that have a lot of images or just like flash ads popping up as soon as you go on them. That's one of the main reasons I like this music blog. There are absolutely no ads on here, which I appreciate a lot. And when you first go onto the website, you can log in. I have a login, but just to show kind of the variety of different songs, I haven't logged in. But if you create an account and you're a user, this page will be more kind of catered to songs you have liked or added to playlists and queues and things like that. Now, I like this new music section over here just because, it's nice to know what the newest music out there is. And I also like these little album covers that they put with the songs. And then this is kind of Hilly Dilly's chart of what users are listening to. And like I mentioned before, this is where you can like a song and it'll be added to a love list. And then over here, you can recommend a song. You can type a user's name in there and then send them the song to listen to. You can add it to a queue. You can add it to your own playlist and create a playlist. What's also interesting is you can read a post. So like I said, this is a music blog, and for every artist, they have like these little posts just giving like background information, the style of music, where they get their inspiration from. And I thought that was really interesting. I think that's what makes this music blog a little bit different. And then, so we were on the Discover page, and then they put us all of the new music on a separate page. And then if you go down, you can kind of see some of the older weeks. I believe they update the new music list like every week. So you can just kind of see if you haven't been logged on to the site in a while, you can just have a longer list of the newest music. They also have a popular page similar to the chart, but this is not necessarily the most recent music. I believe the chart is the most recent and popular songs, but this list kind of stays for a little bit longer. You can kind of see how many times users have played it, how many people have added to their love or like list. And then over here, if I was signed in, it would have my own personal playlist, but if you don't have to log in, and if you don't, you can have these like staff playlists or user playlists or editor's pick. I personally really like the user playlist. I feel like everyone on here kind of has a similar taste in music, so far on the user playlist, I haven't found a playlist I didn't really like. And then over here, you can just kind of search any new artists you've heard of or you read about in a blog post, and then they have these convenient little tags here. So yeah, I really enjoy this website, and I hope this is a new music blog that you guys will be willing to listen to.